Hi, this is Alexander from Open Forests. I want to give you a quick update on the recent developments of Explorer. I will run you through the most important features and explain what is new. So, as everyone might know, Explorer has geolocated posting functionality. It has the possibility to create polygons and points as geolocations of your project, of your landscape project. What is new? You can synchronize Explorer and import data from a third-party geospatial database. So if you already have your geodata, it has become very easy to integrate it into Explorer and also synchronize it and update it. Further, you now can also download all your geolocations by just pressing one button. Explorer has stakeholders where you can present your stakeholder constellations. This, for example, has been used extensively by Forest Forward, which is now onboarded on Explorer. You have sponsors, so you can add sponsors and create beautiful sponsor presentation sites. Further, now you have the possibility to create goods. For example, if your agroforestry or farm produce any sustainable goods, you can list them and also create sale advertisements. So, for example, that you're going to sell a certain amount of a certain product. People can search these projects via Explorer and directly contact you. Another new and very nice feature is the embedding of videos, so you can integrate YouTube and Vimeo videos directly in your project presentation or also on the organization level. We significantly improved the embedding, so everything you have on Explorer, you can also integrate it directly into your website. And we have made it very easy to made it easy to integrate these maps into your website, providing different aspect ratios. You can check different formats also on mobile devices. And the beauty is it generates the embedment code, which you can then paste in your website HMTL, so that the web map looks always beautiful on a desktop, tablet or mobile phone. So the last bigger feature we developed is very important. It's, let's say, it shows the value the Explorer has in your communication. It shows the page visits of your project, so the unique page visits, but you can also see where people entered your website, for example, via the embedded map or the exclusive URL or the general URL. Further, you can see and quantify from which locations people have entered your project presentation. That's for the new features. For the upcoming features, I'm very excited to tell you that we're going to integrate very soon thematic layers. Thematic layers are data layers which you can select from the back end for your project, for example, deforestation, fire. You can imagine basically any kind of public available data as public available map data, which you can then integrate it into Explorer if it provides a certain quality. Another feature that will come next after thematic layers is the possibility to embed a donation link directly in a visible, appealing place on your project presentation, so you can connect your project directly with your donation or fundraising page. That's for the moment. See you next time. Bye.